So I just installed a Brodell bidet on my girlfriend's toilet, and she is going to experience this here.
Wait a minute.
To mask the sound that I don't want to hear.
Right in from here.
And left is
Oh. Oh, okay. That's supposed to be my front. Oh, okay. Oh.
how's it working out?
Huh?
How's it working out?
It's good. I didn't sit quite right, I think, all the way back. So I was confused for a minute, but then I sat farther back and then I had the correct experience.
So how would you rate your feeling?
I'm feeling very fresh, so I'd say a 4 out of 5.
Okay. Well, the other 1% sounds like a personal problem. Thank you for watching.